Heading to Athens and only have a few days? I did the 3 tours every traveler should know: the Acropolis guided tour and museum, the hop-on hop-off city bus tour, and a full-day cruise to Hydra, Poros, and Aegina. In this video, I'll show you what to expect, the best time to visit, and how to plan them into a perfect 2 to 3 day Athens itinerary. For a quick overview, if you want history and context, do the Acropolis and museum guided tour, which typically takes 2 to 4 hours. For flexible city sightseeing, grab the hop-on hop-off pass, valid for 24 to 72 hours. And for a classic Greek island day trip from Athens, take the Saronic Islands Cruise, a full-day adventure lasting about 12 hours. Links to all 3 tours are available in the description below. Our first stop is the Acropolis. This guided tour is ideal for first-time visitors seeking context, myths, archaeology, and the stories behind the Parthenon. The tour typically lasts 2 to 4 hours, depending on your pace, and often includes a licensed guide and skip-the-line tickets. It also includes entry to the new Acropolis Museum, where you can see the Parthenon frieze and original caryatid statues. The museum also features glass-forward exhibits revealing ancient excavations beneath. Key sites include the Parthenon, Erechtheion, Temple of Athena Nike, Theater of Dionysus, and the Odeon of Herod Zadokis. Remember to bring comfortable shoes, a hat, and plenty of water, as the climb can be moderate and there's little shade. Book your tour for the morning or late afternoon to avoid peak heat and crowds, especially during summer when temperatures average 30 to 35 degrees Celsius. Next, explore Athens with the hop-on hop-off bus, the easiest way to see the city's highlights at your own pace. It's great for orientation and perfect for families, offering passes for 24, 48, or 72 hours. Main stops include Syntagma Square, the Acropolis and Plaka, the Acropolis Museum, and the Temple of Zeus. You can also visit the National Gardens, Monastiraki, and the National Archaeological Museum. The buses are wheelchair accessible, making them a good option if mobility is a concern. Enjoy multilingual audio guides, free Wi-Fi, and sometimes even a complimentary glass of Greek beer at a main stop. Use it on your first day to decide which neighborhoods to return to on foot. Great for the first day, hop off where you want to explore. If you crave island time, the Saronic Islands Cruise is a classic Athens day trip. Expect an all-day adventure with boat deck views, island strolls, and a buffet lunch on board. The cruise typically lasts about 12 hours, visiting Poros, Hydra, and Aegina. In Poros, explore the small harbor and its iconic clock tower from 1927. Hydra is car-free, offering stone streets and donkey rides, where Sophia Loren once filmed. Aegina, the largest Saronic island, is known for its pistachios and the ancient temple of Aphaea. On board, enjoy a buffet lunch, multilingual staff, and open decks for sun and views. Consider upgrading to VIP for extra comfort, as the day can be long. Remember sun protection, comfortable shoes for island walks, and a swimsuit if you plan a quick dip. If you prefer a slower pace, choose tours that visit only 2 islands for more time ashore. For practical tips, pack essentials like comfortable walking shoes, a hat, sunscreen, and a refillable water bottle. Carry some cash for small island shops, though credit cards are widely accepted in Athens. For timing, pair the Acropolis tour and the hop-on bus across 2 half-days. Then, save the island's cruise for a full free day. When booking, always check cancellation policies, as many tours allow free cancellation up to 24 hours prior. Here's a sample 3-day Athens plan. Day 1, morning, an Acropolis and museum guided tour. Afternoon, a Plaka walk followed by a rooftop dinner with an Acropolis view. Day 2, use the hop-on hop-off bus to see the Temple of Zeus, National Garden, and Monastiraki, hopping off for lunch and shopping. Day 3, a full-day Saronic Islands cruise to Hydra, Poros, and Aegina. If you found this helpful, like and subscribe for more trip planning guides. Safe travels! Thanks for watching!